down respect support and it's there for an extra 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'm leaving. Bye. I'm not gonna be able to get it in before the pool.
Yeah, now it's crunch time.
Give me just 1 minute and I'll show you.
Peace and love, my brother.
I love you. Yeah. Are you still there? Say again.
Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Shitty ass traders taking shitty ass trades as usual on Controller FX stream. Shitty ass traders taking shitty trades. Shitty ass traders taking shitty ass trades. Buying tops as usual on the GJ. Buying tops and getting their ass kicked as usual. But they're buying tops as usual because they're shitty ass traders. Shitty ass traders. Buying tops as fucking usual. Let's just go look at the GJ. Let's just go look at the GJ for a minute because these people are fucking stupid. Let's just go look at the GJ for a minute, can we? And just explain to these shitty ass traders why they're buying tops. Because they suck at trading. I mean, it's just, my God, people. And this is who has big followings on YouTube. These shitty ass traders. Look at this daily chart. Why would you be buying here? Why would you be buying here? Why would you be buying here? The reason you buy here is because you suck at fucking trading. Why would you buy here? Because you suck. You're a shitty ass trader. That's why you would buy here. You're buying a top from May 17th. But you buy because you're fucking stupid and you don't know how to trade. That's Don Vu, Controller FX for you. You're buying a top. What the fuck are you doing? But that's what you do because you suck at trading. You are one of the worst fucking traders. You are one of the worst fucking traders in the world. You suck ass at trading. But that's what you do when you suck ass at trading. You buy tops. You buy tops because you suck. Let's go listen to this bullshit from this guy. There's people that pay him money. There's literally people that pay him money for his signals, 200 people, and he sucks at trading. He sucks at trading. I mean, these guys suck. And he gets 200 people that pay him $125 a month for shit. For absolute shit. People pay this guy.
It was perfect. I think if they did 4 minutes, you get a lot of time to answer yourselves up.
People pay this guy. Look at this. Look at this. People pay this guy for this shit. I mean, holy fuck, people. You pay this guy to give you shitty ass signals. It's amazing. No, GJ's tough. No. Let me explain. Let me explain something to you, unbelievable fucking moron. GJ's tough because you bought a top. GJ's tough because you bought a fucking top. That's why GJ is tough. It's not because of anything else other than you bought a top and you're a fucking moron. It's nothing other than that. You bought a top. It had gone up massively. Massively had gone up, and then you decide, oh, I should get in now. Oh, I should get in now. You bought a fucking top. That's why GJ is hard. Because you suck.
Okay. At all. Your session is closed. Pound Asian is closed, or sorry, news says
Someone,
Asian is closed.
someone go in that stream and tell him he absolutely sucks. Tell him we are mocking him like crazy. I will give someone $50 right now to their Cash App or PayPal. Go into his stream right now and say we are mocking him mercilessly because he sucks. I will Cash App $50 to you right now if I see that. We're listening to his stream right now. I will Cash App you $50 right now to go in there and tell him we are mercilessly mocking him because he fucking sucks. He lives in his parents' house but claims to make 20 to 40 grand a month. He fucking sucks. And now we know why, because he says he has 200 followers that pay him $125 a month for signals. Yeah, maybe you do make $20,000 a month, but you don't fucking make money trading. Unfucking believable that he lives in his parents' house. He streams from his bedroom. If you make that kind of money, go get your own fucking place. The guy sucks. He sucks ass. The GJ is hard because you bought a top, you fucking moron.
New York is or London is closed too, so there's nothing moving GJ at all.
You suck.
We say it's moved about a pound away with the dollar, but if gold's driving, I mean GJ should pop up.
GJ should pop because gold's going down. Oh my fuck, you people. Oh my fuck.
12-hour stream.
Oh my gosh. This is the stuff that people pay for.
It feels like it's so early today for some reason though.
I'm gonna close gold right here. Cool.
Stuff.
If you look to the left, some wicks to the left exhausted here.
$50, guys. $50 for someone to go in there and tell him that we are mercilessly mocking his sorry ass. Mercilessly mocking his sorry ass. Oh my gosh. We got time before we can do anything anyway. Someone go in there and tell him we are mercilessly mocking his sorry ass because he sucks at trading. He doesn't make money trading, people. He makes money from his signals. He sucks.
But you, man, yeah, I mean, you already caught. Yeah, you held the whole position, or?
Yeah, I held the whole position, but it was a half position. So.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's fine, yeah, because you close half and shit.
Because you're only half a man, Marcos. You took half a gold trade because you're only half a man and you're half pussy. That's why you took a half position, because you're half man and you're half pussy.
Pretty good.
You're half a pussy. That's why you took a half position. You're half of a pussy. You're a pussy, man. Little Boy Blue. That's your name too, huh? Isn't it great? What a fucking pussy. What a fucking pussies. You suck at trading, man. That's why.
Chance number 7 for a break even going on.
Chance number 7 for a break even. Please take a break even so our numbers don't get skewed and so we don't show that we suck. What a fucking moron. Yeah, Joey Gonzalez, absolutely. $50 is totally up for grabs. You go into that stream and tell him that we are mercilessly mocking him. Absolutely. But I guess you have to be a member of his stream for channel for 5 minutes. But absolutely. Absolutely, $50. Absolutely. It's up for grabs. Tell him that we are mercilessly mocking him. Tell him that Iron Man trading stream is mercilessly mocking him right now. Look at the top. It's Controller FX.
Chat, if I was in this trade right now,
Controller FX.
no, I promise you guys that. It's just that we're in it, and it's just kind of tough. It just sucks that we got to be at 10:30 on the dot.
Here, I'll do it. But this guy is one of the worst fucking traders in the industry.
All right, let's see. 17 seconds left. Is it going to close below, or is it going to close?
There it is. There it is, right there. I posted it in the chat.
Negative 10 pips because it'll be.
This guy sucks.
And we'll be in it. Yeah, we're gonna close right here, chat. We're gonna close the positions right here. Yeah, negative 12 pips. So,
Oh my gosh, you suck.
or 13 pips. because
You fucking suck.
below here, and that indicates that we're breaking below the range here. Managing risk, closing full here.
You suck. Oh my gosh, this guy's a clown. What a fucking clown.
So they're may close below. Right? That
What a fucking clown. And Marcos is a fucking clown too.
not bad. Not bad for managing risk. You can close half, close full, whatever it is. I'm gonna close full. I will close.
Look at these numbers too. Look at these numbers. I gotta tell you, it's hilarious. Look at these numbers on here. This is what constitutes. Look at these numbers. Look at these numbers on here. This guy is the shittiest trader. Which is complete bullshit. This is complete bullshit right here anyway. But this guy if he makes 250 pips in a month, he's lucky. 250 pips in a month. And we do 250 pips in a day. This guy's a fucking clown. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. This guy sucks. What a fucking clown.
Close half. I'm closing full. Like 11:30 here. First loss.
There's Joey. We'll see, Joey, if you're able to sit there for 5 minutes, because I think you have to wait 5 minutes before you can do it.
Why isn't the picture popping up?
We'll see if you. This guy sucks. Look at his numbers. Yeah, I think so. You have to be. We'll see. We'll see if he lasts for another 5 minutes. This guy sucks. Look at his numbers. 39. I mean, this guy's a fucking clown. We make this.
Yep.
Well, you can. You just have to be subscribed for 5 minutes, man. So just wait for 5 minutes and then you can send it.
Support chat or a little below support for me, so I just decided to close.
You can send it. You just gotta wait 5 minutes. This guy's a. We'll see if he lasts. We'll see if he lasts that long.
Ahead more? Not really ahead in terms of the trade. It doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't make sense because you suck.
Let it run, whatever, but I'm gonna call it a day or chat.
Oh, don't call it a day yet. Wait 3 more minutes.
Trade and one loss. Let me just put the trades
Don't call it a day yet. Wait a few more minutes, little boy blue. Your parents are doing your laundry. You're okay. Your parents are doing your laundry, dude. Trust me, you're okay. Your parents got your laundry taken care of. Trust me, your parents got your laundry taken care of, dude. You live in your parents' house. You stream from your bedroom in your parents' house. They've got you covered, dude. Your laundry is covered. Wait a few more minutes, man. Your laundry is covered. Your parents are doing it.
Not it. That's the range 1. That's the range 2 breakout. The day buys are very bullish. The buys are still valid. There was no range 2 needed here in this scenario. I gotta rewatch the video.
These guys suck so bad.
Alright, so I'll hop off here, calling it a day.
No.
Tonight for the first of the new month. This day should be interesting, I believe. Like the monthly candle for GG here in 5 minutes. I would say as long as it closes above the support here, should be interesting. You may drive up next month pretty nicely. Because you get the wick special on the monthly, driving all the way up towards like 172 next month. I'll update you guys tomorrow on that, alright?
No! Ah! Damn, we can't do it. Son of a bitch. Can't do it. I'll have to do it tomorrow. Son of a bitch. That would have been fun. What a fucking joke. This guy has 200 people that pay him $125 a month for that shit. They pay him $125 a month for his shit. And maybe he gets 250, maybe 250 a month if he's lucky. If his parents say he's done a good job doing his chores in the house, maybe he gets 250 pips in a month. We do that in a fucking day. What a fucking joke this guy is. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. You are terrible.
that's number 7 for a break-even go. Oh, nice.
What a fucking joke. You're a clown, dude.
Position on gold here.
Half a position on gold because you're half a man. You're half of a man. That's what. What a fucking joke these people are. All right, let's get back to trading. Let's get back to trading. Damn it. Now, and you know what the funny thing about it is, GJ will probably go up now because all the pussies are out of the trade. So GJ will probably go up now because pussies like him are out of the trade. So GJ will actually probably go up now, but because he's a pussy and wears girls' panties, you know, he doesn't know how to fucking trade. It'll probably go up now. We'll see. We'll see. What a joke. These people are a joke. I'm sorry, but what a joke. You have to be a complete dumbass to be listening to these people. All right, let's see what we got here. So you can see when I'm streaming, I have a live terminal up with live trades I'm in because I'm not a pussy. But you'll notice that he'll never have a live stream up there when he's trading because he's a pussy. He's a complete pussy. He does not make money trading, folks. It's already been determined he does not make money trading. Okay, he just obviously said that he has 200 people paying him $125 a month. He does not make money trading. I'm sorry to bust your bubble. He does not make money trading. Nobody fucking cares what you say. Am I making that clear to you? No one fucking cares what you say. No one fucking cares what you have to say. You're a clown. You're a fucking clown. No one cares what you think. Was that clear enough for you? Ichi. No one fucking cares what you think. 0 people care what you fucking think. Was I clear enough on that? Nobody fucking cares. That's good that you love me. I hate you. You're a fucking clown. So I'm glad you love me. Most people do, but you're a fucking clown. So shut the fuck up. How do you know he even trades? You're a fucking clown. So get out of my stream, you dumbass. Fuck you. You're a fucking clown. Nobody fucking cares what you think. There you go. Nobody fucking cares. You're irrelevant. You're fucking irrelevant, man. No one cares. My Signal group has made over 2,500 points in the last 4 weeks, and he's in the last month, and that clown is lucky to make 250 points in a month. There's no comparison between Signal groups. We make him a ton of money, and he fucking sucks. There's no comparison, people. There's no comparison. We'll stay for the 1 hour candle close, see if we get any trades going on, and then I'm going to take off and enjoy myself for the day. What a fucking clown. We're not going to take trades unless we have a candle close, 1 hour candle close, so that's why we're not taking any trades right now, so you can kiss my middle-aged sweet white ass. I don't really care. We'll take a trade when the 1 hour candle sets up for a trade. And we won't do it before then. What a fucking joke. I mean, seriously. People pay attention to this and it's hilarious. But he's a fucking clown. I'll be right back, guys. Be right back. He's a fucking clown. Oh, it's painful. It's painful to watch some people. It really is. Look at the GJ going up too. Now that the amateur hour stream is out of the GJ. Look at the GJ going up. Now the amateur hour is out of it. How fucking hilarious is that? How hilarious is that? Amateur hour is out of the GJ, and now the GJ is going up. You got to get amateur hour out of it first, though. Once you get amateur hour out of the GJ, it'll go up. We'll see. If the 1 hour closes with this kind of candle, I might get in it. But amateur hour, once the amateur hour stream is done with it, then we might be able to get something. But he is for sure amateur hour. I can't believe there's 200 people that pay for his shit. 200 people pay for that shit every day. Unfucking believable. Unfucking believable that people pay for that. People pay for that shit. Oh, it's great. Comedy hour. If this candle closes like this, we might actually get a buy in this because we're not pussies and we don't wear girls' panties like those clowns do on that other stream. But you can see they tried to buy a top. So, and they don't know how to read market structure. They don't know how to read whatever the hell you want to call it. But if they would have looked at that's the 4 hour. The 4 hour had a perfect buy candle on it right there, because the buy candle for me is that tail longer than the body of the candle with no wick at the top. And that happened at 161.46. You'd be up massive amounts of pips right now. But when you don't know how to fucking trade and you don't know how to read price action, you don't know how to read when the big boys are telling you that buyers are coming into the market, or you don't know how to recognize when buyers are coming into the market, you do shitty stuff like that because you suck at trading. So when you don't know how to read buyers and sellers coming into the market, because the big boys who move the market, they leave signs everywhere in the markets. When you don't know how to recognize that, then you suck ass at trading. That's just the bottom line. Call it whatever you want. Call me an asshole. Good for you. I don't really care. But by the way, our signal group, look at our signal group this morning already. Look at the signal group for us this morning. Look at the signal group for us this morning. Already 3 for 3. We had a couple losses to begin the week, so we're 3 for 5 for the week, but we've made over 2,500 points in the last 4 weeks in my signal group because we aren't pussies and we know how to read the markets. We have made over 2,500 points in my group in the last. You know what's great about it? We can just go right here. Here it is right here. Look at this. So there's week 21 right there. That was last week. Plus 375. There are the trade calls right there. Plus 375 for week 21. Okay? Because we're not pussies. Right? Let's go to week 20. Oh, here we go. Here it is. It's weird. There it is right there. Look. This is when we started keeping track of it. Week 19, 5/8 through 5/13. It was plus 463. The next week, week 21. Oh, did we not get the other week? Which weeks are these? Where is week 20? Oh, week 20 right there. There it is right there. There's week 20. There's week 20. What did we do on week 20? What did we do week 20? What did we do week 20? 1,341 points week 20. We did 463 week 19. These are all verifiable too. 463 plus 1,341 plus what? Plus 325? How many is that in 3 weeks? How many is that in 3 weeks? 463, 325 plus, that's 1,666 plus 463. That's over 2,000 in 3 weeks. Those fucking clowns on his stream would be lucky to get 250 in a month because they're fucking morons. You can get a hold of me. I can type it in right here. You can get a hold of me either on Telegram or on Instagram. Telegram is Yak Steelhead. I'll type it in there and you can join. Yes, it is a paid group because I'm damn good at what I do. Or on Instagram, it's Iron Man Futures Trading. You can get a hold of me there and we can chat there. What's A-Rod up to? What's A-Rod been up to, brother? So we got 10 minutes left in this candle. We'll see if we get a trade possibility coming up in 10 minutes. If not, then we'll go do something else. But look at the GJ now. Look at the GJ now. Look, you see how the GJ is going now? Look at the GJ. But because they're shitty ass traders that they don't know how to read price action, look at what happened. Look at what's happening to the GJ now. But because they're shitty ass traders, what happened? They weren't able to get this up move on the GJ because they suck at trading. And now look at it. But they're fucking losers. So and I'm still up 376 points. I'm still up 376 points on the US 30. Ooh, we might get a buy. I'm still up 375 points on the US 30 sell. You can see the sell I'm in right now, that green line, and you can see where my stop loss is. I'm about to get stopped on the US 30, maybe. But you can see the US 30, I took it 33,425, the sell. My stop loss is plus 300. So no matter what, I'm going to make 300 points on the US 30. No matter what. Because I'm a sexy bitch. So just in that one trade, I make more in that one trade, pips wise, than they do in a whole month. Because they suck at trading. But we might actually get a buy on it here. So we'll wait to see if we get a buy. I won't be able to take the buy. I won't take the buy only because I'm in a sell. And I'm not going to get out of a winning sell trade to potentially get into a winning buy trade. But if I wasn't in this trade, I would. Okay, so the only time I wouldn't take a buy if the pattern sets up, because that is a buy pattern coming on the 1 hour time frame on the US 30. That's a buy pattern. Okay, because the tail is longer than the body of the candle. The only time I wouldn't take that is when I'm already in a sell trade and I'm up 350 pips points, whatever the hell you want to call it. I just place my stop loss into more profit, and then if it goes, it goes. Oh, what's up, brother? Now you're right there. So I wouldn't take the trade on the US 30 right now if it's a buy because I'm in a sell. Does that make sense to everybody? If I was not in a sell, I would absolutely be taking this buy. Does that make sense, everybody? Yes, no, maybe so. You think I suck? Whatever. Yes, no, maybe so. Does that make sense? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. This is going to be a buy on the US 30 if this candle closes like this in 7 minutes. I would normally take the trade if I was not already in a sell up 328 points. So all I'm going to do is move my stop loss to more profit. Because why would I take out a winning trade for a potentially winning trade? That's the question I have for you. Why would I take out a trade I'm up 323 points on for a potentially winning trade? Why would I do that? So you got to explain that to me. Why would I do that? I mean, no matter what, I'm going to make 300 points on this, no matter what, right? No matter what, I'm going to make. Well, I might get stopped out. So if I get stopped out on the sell, then I absolutely could take it. But why would I take it if I'm not stopped out? But I could get stopped out here in the next few minutes. And if I do and get stopped out at plus 300, then I absolutely would take the buy. But I'm not taking the buy if I'm in a short. It doesn't make any sense to do that. Yes, that's what I said. Are you having a hard time understanding what I'm saying? Do I need to speak slower? That's exactly what I said. Yes, correct. Do I need to speak 200 points on the US 30? Always, because the US 30 is a monster. But then when I get up 50 points or 50 pips, or whatever the hell you want to call it, I always put my stop at break even. But to begin with, it's always a 200 point stop loss. Absolutely. Do I need to speak slower, Backy? That's exactly what I'm glad you quoted me on that. I appreciate you quoting me. I'm glad you quoted me on that. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, so I am going to get stopped out here, most likely. And so if that's the case, then I would. Yep, there it is, stopped out. So plus 300 on that. So if we get the buy signal in 5 minutes, then I would take it. What's going on, brother? Oh, you know me, just making friends and influencing people and being kind to everybody. All the YouTube streamers, just being kind to everybody. You know me, man. You know how I roll. Just being kind to everybody, making friends, not making any enemies. You know me. I'm just kind, a kind-hearted soul. Just making friends and influencing people, as always. It's kind of how we do it. So we just did plus 300 on the US 30, so that's good. We like that. You can see we're in a gold position right now, and we're in a pound Aussie position right now, because you can again see that when I'm streaming, I'm not a pussy. I don't hide. Okay, my terminal is up. My MT4 terminal is up right now. You see the trades I'm in because I'm not a pussy. I am not a pussy. What kind of graph is what? What kind of graph is what? What the fuck are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about? That terminal is up with live trades I'm in because I am not a pussy. I am not a pussy. So the trades I'm in are here. Does that make sense? Because I am not a pussy like Controller FX is. I am not a pussy. I refuse to be a pussy. like Controller FX and Marcos are. Sorry that hurts your feelings, people. Not really. I'm not really sorry at all. They're pussies. And the GJ is going up now because Amateur Hour got out of the trade. Amateur Hour got out of the trade, so the GJ is now going up because Amateur Hour got out. No, I like to give him my attention, man. Trust me. Remember, DC. We talk nicely in your stream. We talk nicely in your stream. My stream, we get to do whatever the fuck we want. Size 0.10. Baki, I'm very glad that you. I'm very glad you're able to see lot size. Congratulations. Yes, I'm very glad that you are capable of seeing lot sizes. Good on you, man. Good on you. Congratulations, man. Do you pee sitting down, Baki? Can I ask you that question? Serious question. Asking for a friend. Do you pee sitting down? Do you pee sitting down? How is it $10? Do you pee sitting down? Honest question. Do you pee sitting down? Do you live in your stepmommy's basement and eat Hot Pockets while you jerk off to midget porn? Just asking. I mean, these are honest questions for you. Do you sit in your basement and jerk off to midget porn while you eat Hot Pockets in your stepmommy's basement? Honest questions. I mean, it's okay. It's okay to admit that you jerk off to midget porn. But do you have to do it in your stepmommy's basement? No, I don't do that. I've got a smoking hot wife. Why would I have to do that? But I'm just asking. Again, just asking for a friend. You know? Just, you know, I'm a little bit concerned. A-Rod kills the buffet line. Let's just be honest. A-Rod kills the buffet line. Okay, can we just be honest? Can we just be honest? A-Rod kills the buffet line. He knows I love you. Baki, I know because you're a fucking moron. Does that explain it to you? I know because you're a fucking moron. Does that explain it? Does that help? I know because you're a fucking moron. US 30 looks really good. US 30 looks really good. It looks nice. Yes, Baki, that is me. Yes, that's me. My signal group is the best signal group out there. It's not even close. Second place isn't close. My signal group is the best out there. Period. End of story. I already just showed you guys the proof. I already showed you the proof. Because we're sexy as hell. I already showed you the proof that my group is the best group out there. And it's not close. I already showed you the proof. Do we need to do the proof again? Do we need to do it again? So a couple weeks ago, 5.8 through 5.13. So this is the beginning of May. 463 points. The next week we did 1,341 points. Pips, whatever. And the next week we did 325. Over 2,000 in 3 weeks. My single group is the best group out there. And it's not even close. Okay? Second place isn't even close. You're all playing for bridesmaids. It's not close. My single group is the best one out there. It's not close. It's way too sexy. It's probably too sexy for all of you, to be honest. It's probably a little bit too much sexiness for you. But my group is the best out there. Period. End of story. You doubt me? I don't fucking care. But it's the truth. The proof is there. The proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. In the pudding. Pudding. Tapioca pudding. It's the best. I don't fucking care what you think. You don't make shit, Backy. Backy, you don't make shit. You don't make shit. What the fuck are you talking about? You don't make shit. You butt fuck goats without lube. Let's be honest. You butt fuck goats without lube. And it's really disrespectful to the goat. But you butt fuck them without lube. And that's really disrespectful. You should at least lube yourself up before you butt fuck your goat. So shut the fuck up. You don't make that kind of... You do not make that kind of money. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You don't make 95 pips per trade. You're most likely you're a 10 pip scalp pussy trader and wear girls' panties. So shut the fuck up. Up 10 cents? Up 10 cents? Really? Is that what it is? That's really weird. That's really weird. 10 cents. A-Rod, ban this motherfucker, will you? I'm sick of this bullshit. Ban that motherfucker. Actually, just put him in timeout, just to torture him. Don't ban him, just put him in timeout. Put him in timeout just to torture the motherfucker. Put him in timeout. And we'll see if he's willing to stay the 5 minutes. Because it's not 10-cent lots, you fucking moron. They're dollar lots. If you had a fucking clue what you were talking about. Jo, yeah, it is. It is. If you had a fucking clue what you're talking about, Backy, you'd realize that they're dollar lots. I'll put them in timeout. Fine. Jo, what do you want to talk about, Jo? Which one? It's a dollar lot, yeah. Absolutely. Imagine not going at least 10 lots. What you see, here's the difference, bud. Here's the difference. I have no bills. I have no bills. I have no house payment. I own my house free and clear. I have no car payment. I have no credit card debt. I have nothing. I don't have to make a ton of fucking money a month. I make my 10 to 15 grand a month and I'm fine. That's the thing. You think that showing big lots or trading big lots makes you a man. And everyone is different, right? Everyone's situation is different. I don't have to make a ton of money. That's what you don't understand, and you never will fucking understand. Because you think that if you trade 10 lots, you're somehow a big man. I don't have to make a ton of money. I don't have to make a ton of money. I have no debt. Zero debt. That's why I get to sit on my ass and do this at 10 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday, because I don't work a 9 to 5 because I make money. I don't have to fucking trade 10 lots. So go butt fuck your goat in the 5-minute timeout you have and think about your life and think about your future, because it's a miserable fucking life. So, Jo, what do you want to talk about? What trade do you want to talk about? We can talk trading. I don't care. But in your 5-minute timeout, Baki, just reevaluate your life, because you're a fucking miserable motherfucker. Just saying. Oh, you're just saying, oh, I trade 10 lots. Oh, you trade dollar lots. You suck. Again, I don't have to make a ton of money. But anyway, go butt fuck your goat. You got a 5-minute timeout, and we'll see what happens at that point. Okay, so which one do we want to look at? I mean, we can talk trading. This is just kind of more fun while we wait for the pattern to set up, or we wait for trades to happen. But we can talk trading. We can talk trading. It's just more fun to talk this because we have fucking morons in here. And Backy, who says he makes 95 pips per day. You don't make fucking shit. You butt fuck your goat every day without lube, and it's really disrespectful to the goat. Okay. I think I still, on the US 30, if you would have taken that trade, obviously at the close of the candle, I didn't. If you would have taken that trade at the close of the candle, you'd be up, right? You would have gotten in at 33,119 and you'd be up 50 points. You'd be up 50 points. I'm still looking for sells on the US 30. I didn't take the I didn't take the buy, but you'd be up on it, right? If you took it at the close of the candle 7 minutes ago, you'd be up on it. People want to get rich fast. That's the problem. At least you don't have stress using smaller lots. Little by little, you compound your account. I am rich, though. That's the point. Like, I have more money than I need. I get to do whatever I want, whenever I want. I have a great life. I've been, like I said multiple times, I've been to Miami like 12 times in the last 2 years. I've been to Hawaii twice in the last year. I've been to Alaska. I have a great fucking life. People can call me a dollar lot trader and call it pen. I don't fucking care. I have a great life. Why would I care? Ugh. I have a wonderful wife, a beautiful family, and I get to do whatever I want, travel whenever I want. I have a fucking good life. Why would I care? So, but you're right. You're fine. You're fine. You're right. I mean, people want to get rich fast, but I promise you Backy isn't rich. And I promise you Backy doesn't trade 10 standard lots, and I promise you he doesn't make 95 pips per day. I promise you it does not happen. Promise you. He's full of shit. Okay, I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but he's full of shit. Okay, he's full of shit. I just showed you my signal group and how much money we make and how well we do. He doesn't make 95. If you make 95 pips a day, can you imagine? I mean, anyone, I mean, DC will tell you too. DC is a good dude. If you can consistently make 95 pips a day, does that suck? I mean, seriously, that tells you how dumb Backy is. Anyone in Forex would kill to make 95 pips a day consistently. They would kill for it. And then you've got people like Controller FX that might make 250 points in a month. In a month, his group makes 250 points. Maybe. That's 1 pip a day. That's 1 pip a day. Anyone in this industry would kill to make 95 pips a day. Kill for it. And anyone who has half a brain, which Backy doesn't, knows that making 95 a day is amazing. But then you got fucking morons that think they're funny. So whatever. It's hilarious. It really is. DC will tell you, A-Rod will tell you, Chris who's in here, who does a lot of trading. Any of these people who actually know a thing or two will tell you that 95 a day is fucking amazing. But when you're stupid, you make silly comments like that. I mean, this guy, if he makes 250 a month, he thinks it's good.
1844.9.
Gold turns activate too. Oh wow, gold.
It is not. You're just fucking lying to people. It's not $10 a day. It's dollar lots. You fucking moron. You fucking moron. How many times do we have to explain this to you, Backy? If it's $1 lot and you make 95 pips a day, you're making $95 a day. How many fucking times do we have to explain this to you? How many fucking times do we have to explain this to you? It's not a 10-cent lot. It's $1 lot. If you make 95 pips on $1 lot, what is that? This just proves how stupid you are. This just proves how stupid you are. It proves how dumb you are. Honestly. Did your mom drop you as a child on the floor? Did your mom drop you on the floor? 95 pips at $1 a pip is what? He can't even do fucking math right. You can't even fucking do math, bro. My gosh. This is what... I have a signal group. Joey, whatever. Sorry to pronounce that wrong. I have a signal group, and if you join the signal group, you will absolutely pass your FTMO challenge. I don't do training because I don't want to do that anymore. I did it for a long time, but I have a signal group, and it will absolutely pass. That signal group will absolutely pass it. Almost done, buddy. Almost done.
How much longer?
About 15 minutes, okay? My kids want to get in here to play video games. So I have a signal group that I just talked to you about that you can join, and it will absolutely pass your... And the trade copier will be set up today. So if you get into the signal group, you have the trade copier. So if you miss a session or you're not around while we take trades, the trade copier will take the trades for you. So, and I might take this US 30 has a sell on the 15-minute candle. I might take that trade here coming up in 2 minutes. In fact, I think I will. I think I'm going to take this sell on the US 30 off of a 15-minute candle. This is a little bit different. I don't usually take 15-minute candle closes with the pattern, but I'm going to do it here. And then I'll have a 100-point stop loss on it. And if I lose, that's fine. So I'm going to sell the US 30 right there. You can see that I just entered it. My stop loss is going to be at 33,221, and we'll see what happens. If I lose, I lose. That's okay. I don't really care. 33,220. Okay? 33,220. If I lose, I lose. All right? But my signal group is the best group out there. It's not close. Second place isn't close. I am sexier than every one of those signal providers. My group is sexier than all those signal providers. Oh, look, it's already working. And you should join it. I'll type in the Telegram is Yak Steelhead, and then I'll type in the Instagram as well. If you're not a member of the group, you should be. There's Yak Steelhead on Telegram. This is Hanko Trade. And then Iron Man Futures Trading on Instagram. Oh, look, it's already working. That's really weird. It's already working. My goodness. All right, motherfuckers, I'm out of here. We'll talk to you guys later. Oh, it's already up 24 points, 23 points, 25, 26, 28. Oh my gosh, wow, crazy. Weird. 28, 29, 30, 31, 38, 40. Oh my gosh, let's just put our stops at break even maybe. Yeah, let's just put our stops at break even. What a trade, huh? What a trade. What a trade. Holy shit, what a trade. 33,119. We'll go 33,119, so we'll make +2 no matter what. There you go. We modified it already because we're not schmucks. Yep, we'll talk to you guys later. See you later, motherfuckers. I'm out.